Self-cleaning aquariums are the newest innovation in the world of fish tanks. There are many products available to choose self-cleaning aquariums, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best self-cleaning aquariums from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smart Aquarium Fish Tank 5-Gallon Starter Kit. The Wonder Factory's Smart Aquarium is designed for simplicity and efficiency. Its all-in-one modular design eliminates the hassle of multiple accessories and complicated setups, allowing you to enjoy a beautiful aquarium with just one power cord. The ultra-thin filtration system ensures your fish live in clean water while being quiet, making it perfect for any room. With high-quality glass and a digital display, you can easily monitor key functions like water temperature and pump speed. Plus, the automatic feeder simplifies feeding, letting you enjoy your aquarium without daily chores. Number 2. Small Fish Tank 2-Gallon Glass Aquarium Starter Kits. The Terrarium 2-Gallon Glass Aquarium is a self-cleaning fish tank that is perfect for beginners and experienced fish keepers alike. Its complete filter system ensures that the tank stays crystal clear, reducing the need for frequent water changes. The tank also features colorful LED lights that create a visually stunning display, making your fish and plants look even more beautiful. Made entirely of glass, this tank is durable and built to last. It is a great gift idea for anyone who loves fish and makes for a stylish addition to any room. With its 180-day warranty and friendly customer service, you can purchase this tank with confidence. Number 3. 3-Gallon Fish Tank Aquarium Starter Kit. The Wonder Factory Betta Fish Tank is a comprehensive starter kit ideal for beginners. It includes a high-quality glass bowl, a reliable heating rod, and a quiet 3-in-1 filter pump. The glass tank offers excellent clarity, enhancing your viewing experience. The heater ensures your fish stay in a comfortable environment, while the ultra-quiet filter promotes a healthy ecosystem by effectively removing harmful substances. This all-in-one setup makes it easy for you to create a thriving underwater world with minimal hassle. Number 4. Fish Tank Smart Aquarium Kit. The URUQ Smart Aquarium Kit offers a range of features designed to enhance your aquarium experience. Its efficient water circulation system ensures clean and well-oxygenated water for your fish, while the ultra-quiet pump operates below 35 dB, keeping your environment peaceful. The 6-stage filtration system not only maintains water quality, but also promotes beneficial bacteria growth, reducing the need for frequent water changes. With a stunning 7-color LED lighting system, you can create a beautiful ambience that highlights the vibrant colors of your aquatic life. This aquarium is perfect for both beginners and seasoned fish enthusiasts. Number 5. Fish Tank Aquarium 2.2-Gallon. The JPHYLL Smart Aquarium offers a unique experience with its multifunctional features. The vibrant 7-color lighting system allows you to set the perfect ambience in your space, while the built-in humidifier with 3 spray modes enhances air quality. You can monitor the water temperature in real time, ensuring a stable environment for your fish. Additionally, the aquarium's self-cleaning system combines filtering, oxygenation, and water circulation, making maintenance easy and keeping the water crystal clear. This setup is designed for hassle-free operation, perfect for both beginners and experienced hobbyists.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.